guys, Owen Wegler here with Team Orangehorn. Today I'm going to do a flashlight review, and I got a Bushnell 1300 lumen flashlight here. So it's a rechargeable, so I'm going to step out back and show you how she works. So it's dark out, as you can see. So now I'm going to turn on the flashlight. Shines trees like a beauty. Walking through the woods, you can see it. The nice thing about this is it has 3 settings: high, low, and strobe. So here's high, that's low. Now here's high, low, and strobe. And it's a very nice flashlight. It's got a bunch of knobs on the end of it, so you can see what, like, attack people. If they ever came up to your car, you can jab them with it. And it does recharge, so you don't have to have batteries for it. That's another thing I like about it. But one thing I don't like about it is you can't focus with this light. But it's a good light, so if you want something that doesn't focus, but I guess it'd work for coon hunting. It's 1300 lumens, the true lumens, and I think it works pretty good. So that should do it for today, folks. So thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. So see ya.